Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. In today's video I have my Honda CB500 X here. This is a 2022 model, and I'm just going to remove this side of the fairing because I need to do some wiring, and I just thought I'll show you how to be fair, I already removed it. It's fairly simple, so I'm gonna show you what I removed in order to get it out. So you're gonna need a 5mm Allen key. So this Allen key, in order to remove some screws that are like this basically. So this is a 5mm Allen key screw, and there is 1, 2, 3, there's 4 of them. There are 4 of them that you need to remove. So there will be one here. There will be, actually, it's actually 3 screws you need to remove. I removed this one as well, but it was not necessary. So it's 3, so one up there, and then there's another one here, and another one just there. And also you have this little clip here, this plastic clip, which will be plugged in here, and basically you have to push the center so the clip pops up, and then you are able to take it out, and that will be just sitting just there, same as probably the other side has got one. That one there. So that there, will be the same here. So press the center and get the clip out. And once you remove those, you will need to pull this panel out a little bit. So this panel literally unplugs like so. Obviously mine was already a little bit loose, so it unplugs from there and from here and from here. There is an Allen screw here, but if you're going to remove just the fairing here, you don't really need to take the Allen key. Just give yourself some room here in order to pull this out. So once you got that removed, this fairing basically needs to unplug as well. I'll show you. There are some like button type of clips, the ones that push and lock into position, and they just literally pull out. So down here you want to open this a little bit and get it out. So sorry. Okay, like so, and then you can literally take the whole fairing out. It will unplug from these bits here, and then you want to sort of bring it out like that. There's that little clip there, this bit here that is just sitting under there. And that's basically it, really. There's nothing else holding this, so it's mainly plugged in, and you have those few screws. So I'm just gonna leave that hanging there, but that's your indicator there, so be careful with the wiring here. Maybe you don't really want to leave it hanging there. I'm just doing it now because I'm doing the video, but basically this gives you a little bit of room to see the wiring loom. I've got a bit of a messy wiring connection here, which was done by someone. I'm just gonna tidy that up a little bit, but basically the motorbike wiring loom is here, and you could follow that. If you're connecting something to the battery, you could follow that all the way back through here, hide it, behind and obviously come to the battery here. So as far as this video goes, and that there, this bit of loom here, that is supposed to be plugged into the fairing, but when I removed it, I noticed that it was loose. So again, when it was done, it wasn't fitted properly. So anyway, I'm gonna fit it properly once I finish with what I'm doing. What I'm doing actually is fitting some heated grips, but that's another video. So as far as removing the fairing here, I hope the video helps. Actually, before I go, if you wanted to remove this, you just need to you can see there's these little clips here. If you press those clips, this should come out. Same with this one. So it might be better if I do it with two hands though, because I don't want my fairing to fall and get scratched. So again, having said that, I hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.